Hi, this is Crystal with Whole New Perspective.
So guys, this is a top of a tree, actually top of my neighbor's tree that came down. And of course it came down in our yard, it came down from up there and hit those other smaller trees. So just stick around and I'll show you me planting this. Yeah, I planted it this weekend. Good morning, this is Crystal with Whole New Perspective. I am going to plant these bay leaves today and I wanted to bring you along with me. But before I do that, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to use a soil today that I'm not used to using. It's my first time using it. But one of the things I read is that the bay leaf tree will adjust and adapt to whatever soil you have, but it does need to be well drained. So I'm going to add some perlite to the soil. But I'll just show you what I'm going to do. Guys, that is it. I think I'm going to take the yellow leaves off and then I should be able to use them like I do my regular bay leaves. I'm excited about this. I think I should have a lifelong bay leaf source. If you're growing bay leaves, please leave me a comment below and let me know how it's going and maybe give me some tips or hints on what I need to do. So guys, now I'm going to plant my Eureka lemon tree. It is the next morning after the storm, so day 2 after I've planted the trees. And as you can see, the tree is on my moringa and bay leaf. I was able to move the Eureka lemon tree out, but the wonderful news is that all of my trees survived. I'll be buying new pots again and just replanting them. So thank you guys so much for coming along with me. We see that how quickly things change, but I'm prepared and ready to take on this challenge again.